Okay, I have here the uh, Microsoft Excel, all right, the desktop version. Okay, this doesn't work on the online version for some reason. Okay, so this is the desktop version, and I have actually inserted a picture, right, of Cassie, my digital design character. Right. But Cassie at the back is the green screen. Right. So actually, I do not want the green screen. I want to remove the green screen background, just leaving Cassie as herself, and the rest is transparent. Right. Then I want to use Cassie to be superimposed on another background. Right. Uh, and I'm going to do it all inside the Excel spreadsheet. Right. So first you need to select the picture that you have already inserted, and you will have a picture tool. Right. A lot of people do not realize that you can actually remove background inside the uh, Excel spreadsheet because it is actually a spreadsheet and not a photo editing tool. Now there's two ways to do it. One is you can mark the area you want to keep, or you want to mark the area that you want to remove. Okay, but I usually prefer to mark the area I want to keep. So you're given this little square, which I will drag to make sure that Cassie, which is my character, actually is inside the square. All right, so this one will go all the way down. Okay, so this is the area I want to keep, and those outside is the area I want to remove. Okay, so once I have done this, okay, area that I want to keep, then I will just click this check mark here. See what happened. All right, the green screen is gone. All right, Cassie is left. All right, and it's transparent. You can see the grid at the back. So even here you can see the grid at the back. All right, so it did actually a pretty good job. All right, and I can use this and do something else with it. All right, and since you already paid for the Microsoft Excel, all right, why do you need to use any fancy additional AI, all right, to remove background or even manually remove it by deleting, all right, or erasing your picture background? Okay, so I hope this actually save you a bit of money and save you a bit of time.